Hello, let's start the microwave. Just put it on for 4 seconds. Start. Okay, this thing's gonna beep. Okay, but then did you ever notice like some time will go by and it beeps again, and then some time goes by and it beeps again? So here's the setup. Suppose it waits 1 minute before the first beep, then it doubles that time, it waits 2 minutes for the second beep, to remind you that there's something in the microwave, and then it doubles again. It waits 4 minutes before it beeps again, and then it waits and it doubles, and it waits 8 minutes before it beeps again. So it keeps doubling the amount of time it waits before it beeps. So here's the question. How many times could the microwave beep before the solar system is gone, like the sun's supernovas, which is like, 5 billion years away from now? I mean, maybe PG&E can't even keep the electricity on for a couple days, but in this hypothetical scenario, let's say the microwave is going to, oh, it just beeped again. I think there was the first minute. I don't think my microwave is set up to do it this way, but here's the hypothetical situation. Now it would wait 2 more minutes before it beeped again, and so on. So how many times would it beep before the sun supernovas 5 billion years from now? And so I think this is a cool way to point out how crazy fast exponential growth is, faster than we might think. And our intuition has difficulty dealing with that. We might say, wow, it might beep 1 billion times or 1 million times before the sun supernovas. But I'll show you that it's only going to beep about 49 times in 5 billion years, and then the sun supernovas, and then it stops beeping. And let me show you how that goes. So first we need to convert minutes to years, and the best way to it beeped. Oh, see, I think it's beeping maybe every 1 minute. Only 1 minute went by, but in our hypothetical scenario, it would have waited 2 minutes. The way to convert minutes to years is to remember the Rent song. They sing it like 525,600 minutes. That's how the length of a year. So that's a good number to keep in mind, which is just the number of minutes in an hour is 60. The number of minutes in a day, you multiply that times 24, and then you multiply that times 365 to get the number of minutes in a year, which is 525,600. So it's a good number to remember. And the other good number to remember is 2 to the 20th is 1 million. So 500,000 and change is like 500,000. So that's 2 to the 19th. But we're summing up. We're waiting 1 minute, then 2 minutes. So instead of 19 beeps to get to a year, it's only 18 beeps to a year because we're summing all those terms, and then their sum is like 2 to the 19th. So it's only going to beep 18 times in 1 year. That gets us to 1 year. And now we need to go from 1 year to about 5 billion years. So the other good number to remember is 2 to the 30th is 1 billion. So, and 2 to the 32nd would be 4 billion. But it's not going to beep 32 times. It's only going to beep 31 times because the sum of those 31 terms is like 2 to the 32nd. So 18 plus 31 is 49 beeps. So in 49 beeps, we've gotten to 4 billion years. So that's like, wow, exponential growth is really fast. This thing's only going to beep 49 times before the sun supernovas, and this thing can no longer beep. So I think the real point of the story is take your food out of the microwave before it beeps 49 times so you don't destroy the planet and cause a supernova. So please take your food out of the microwave early. Thank you very much.